English speaking practice. Hello, my name is Lucy. I am 19 years old. I study at college. I like reading and writing. I often read interesting books. My favorite types of books are fantasy and mystery. These books make me dream and think. I love history. I learn about different cultures and important events. This helps me understand the world better. In my free time, I listen to music. My favorite music genres are pop and classical. Listening to music makes me feel happy. I also like cooking. Cooking is a fun hobby for me. I try new recipes and share meals with my family. I enjoy watching inspiring movies. I often meet my friends. We talk about our favorite films and books. We share our thoughts and ideas. I love to talk with them and laugh with them. Each moment is special. I like to sleep early. I like to wake up in the morning. My favorite fruit is orange. My favorite fast food snack is a burger. My favorite colors are black and white. They represent elegance and simplicity. My mother is a teacher. She teaches English in middle school. She inspires me with her love for learning. My father is a writer. He writes stories. His stories spark the imagination. His stories inspire others. I have an older brother. We go to school together. We spend a lot of quality time at home. My parents are wonderful people. They create a loving environment for us. One day I dream of studying my favorite subject abroad. I want to meet people from diverse backgrounds. I want to learn about their customs and traditions. I am excited to try new foods. I want to experience unique festivals. I believe that every journey can teach us something valuable. I want to gain new skills while studying abroad. I hope to work there for a few years. After that, I want to return to my country. I want to use my work experience and skills to help my nation grow and develop. I also want to inspire people with my journey. I want to show them that dreams can come true. I believe this happens with hard work and determination. Most importantly, I want to make my parents proud. Their support has been my foundation. I hope to achieve great things that reflect their love and guidance. Thank you.